So, let us perform one illustration, that is example under this. State whether the expression of three variable say a comma b comma c, that is a square into b plus c plus b square into c plus a plus c square into a plus b is a symmetric or not. So, here in this regard we have to find out whether the expression, that is a square into b plus c plus b square into c plus a plus c square into a plus b, as the symmetric or not. So, whereas in which the variables are of 3, so that is a comma b comma c. Then now the solution starts. So, in our solution we are going to assume the given expression as, since it is consisting three variables, that as a, b and c. So, I am considering the function as what I say here, f of a comma b comma c. The expression is of f, which consists of three variables a, b, c. Then now that is given by means of, so here a square into b plus c plus b square into c plus a plus c square into a plus b. So, in order to check whether it is a symmetric one or not, so we have to interchange the two variables, that is a b first of all, then b c, then c a. So, here I am going to interchange. So, here a b as b a. So, here I am going to write it as, so by interchanging two variables, say a and b. So, a is replaced by means of b and vice versa, that is b must be replaced by means of a. Then f of, so here then we have f of a by means of b comma b by means of a. So, here c must be kept as it is. Then now that implies, so a square, so a must be replaced by means of b and b must be replaced by means of a, then c kept as it is. Then now a square, that must be replaced by means of b, so it becomes b square. So, here b must be replaced by means of a, so here a plus c must be kept as it is, plus b must be replaced by means of a, that is a square into c kept as it is plus a by means of b. So, plus c square must be written as it is, a must be replaced by means of b plus b must be replaced by means of a. So, that implies a square, first of all I want to write the second term, a square into c plus b as b plus c. So, a square into c plus b can be written as b plus c plus, so after a square I want to write the first term, that is b square plus b square into a plus c as c plus a. There won't be any sort of difference, I say I want to write it as c plus a. Then now last term, that is c square, so into b plus a can be written as a plus b as per the commutative property. Then now let us observe. So, that implies, but here a square into b plus c plus b square into c plus a plus c square into a plus b is equals to f of a comma b comma c, is equals to f of a comma b comma c. So, here hence f of a comma b comma c is equals to f of b comma a comma c. So, here hence f of a comma b comma c is equals to f of a and b are replaced in what I say here, interchanged in the first regard. So here b comma a comma c. So if we got this step by interchanging, so here this is the first one. So we got this step by interchanging a and as well as b. Then now let us go for the second one. So here this is the case number 1, whatever we have. So this is of case number 1. Then let us go for the case number 2. So case number 2 is of in our case number 2, say here the given one. So f of a comma b comma c is given by means of a square into b plus c plus b square into c plus a plus c square into a plus b. So this is the given expression in 3 variable. Then now, so here I want to interchange now. So in the first case I have interchanged a and b, that is 1 and 2. Now I want to interchange second and third, that is 2 and 3, that is b and c. So here by interchanging the terms, that is b and as well as c, then we have so here by interchanging these terms, that is y and as well as b and as well as c. So we will be getting an expression that is f of. So here a must be written as it is. So b must be replaced by means of c and c must be replaced by means of b. F of a comma c comma b. So equals to. So in this regard, so b is replaced by means of c and c is replaced by means of b. So that equals to a square must be written as it is. There won't be any sort of change in the a. So b by means of c plus c by means of b plus similarly and so on. So b square. So b square must be replaced by means of c square. So here c by means of b plus a written as it is plus c square. So c must be replaced by means of b. So we can write it as b square. So here a must be kept as it is and b again by means of c. To write in an order, so here a square into c plus b can be written as b plus c. Commutative holds good here. Then now after a, I want to write the b square, that is the third term in the second, as in the place of second term. So b square into, instead of a plus c, I want to write as c plus a plus third term as c square, b plus a as a plus b. Then now let us observe this condition. But this condition, a square into b plus c plus b square into c plus a plus c square into a plus b, it is similar to the right hand side of the given. So it is equals to f of a comma b comma c. So that implies, so here f of a comma b comma c. So hence we can write, hence f of a comma b comma c is equals to f of, so here f of a comma b comma c is equals to f of, we got this step from this test, f of a comma c comma b. So f of a comma c comma b. So from this it is clear that, so here they are equal by interchanging. So by interchanging here in the first case we have interchanged a and b. So here we got this step by interchanging the terms, that is b and c are interchanged, b and c as c and b, a is kept as it is by interchanging. So here b and as well as c. Then in the third case I want to interchange, so here first and the last, so that is 1 and 3. In the first case I have interchanged 1 and 2, in the second case that is I have interchanged 2 and 3, in the third case I want to interchange 1 and 3. So that is the third case. So third case is off. So here case number 3. Third case. So in the here according to the given expression, that is f of a comma b comma c is equals to a square into b plus c plus b square into c plus a plus c square into a plus b, whereas this is the given expression. Now I want to interchange, in the third case I want to interchange a and as well as c. So here by interchanging the terms, that is a and as well as c, then we have now f of, so here we are going to interchange a and as well as c. So here a must be replaced by means of c, b must be kept as it is, comma c must be replaced by means of a. So here a replaced by means of c and c replaced by means of a, whereas b kept as it is, then the right hand side will be off. So that equals to a square value. So here a must be replaced by means of c, that is c square into b kept as it is, plus c must be replaced by means of a, then now plus b square. So here b remained as it is, that is b square into c by means of a, then now plus a by means of c plus c square. So c by means of a, that is a square, since it is c square we have to write it as a square, a by means of by c plus b written as it is, because b must be written as it is, there won't be any sort of change in the b. So now that equals to, first of all I want to write a square. So here a square multiplied with c plus b, instead of c plus b we can write it as b plus c. Then now the second term, that is b square into, instead of a plus c I am going to write it as c plus a. Third term as c square. So here c square into b plus a can be written as a plus b. But by observing this, so a square into b plus c plus b square into c plus a plus c square into a plus b is equals to f of a comma b comma c. It equals to f of a comma b comma c. Then now, so that implies f of a comma b comma c is equals to f of c comma b comma a. So here they are equal when c and a are interchanged. So here by interchanging, so we got this step by interchanging c and as well as a. From this it is clear that if f of a comma b comma c is equals to f of, when a and b are interchanged, b comma a comma c, then that is equals to, so here b and c are interchanged, f of a comma, so here b and c are interchanged, will be getting as a c comma b, then that is equals to f of, then now when a and c are interchanged, c comma b comma a, then the given expression is said to be a symmetric one, is said to be a symmetric expression.